Hello everyone! Today, we embark on a journey to explore the intriguing impact of the internet on humanity and dive into one of the most fascinating and controversial theories out there, the Silurian Hypothesis. The internet has undoubtedly transformed our lives in both positive and negative ways. From revolutionizing our learning methods with Wikipedia, Google, and YouTube, to reshaping our shopping habits with online stores and enabling us to share our lives through social media, the internet has been a game changer. However, it has also provided a platform for conspiracy theorists who thrive on stirring panic and confusion. Let's unravel the mysteries surrounding these internet-born theories and examine the possibility of ancient advanced civilizations that might have once ruled our planet. The advent of the internet has brought about unprecedented changes in our daily lives. On one hand, it has democratized access to information and created new avenues for learning and communication. Websites like Wikipedia offer a vast repository of knowledge. Google provides instant answers to almost any query, and YouTube serves as a hub for educational and entertainment content. Online shopping has revolutionized retail, making it possible to purchase almost anything from the comfort of our homes. Social media platforms have connected people worldwide, allowing us to share our experiences and stay in touch with loved ones. On the other hand, the internet has also become a breeding ground for conspiracy theories. While questioning the world around us is a natural part of human curiosity, some theories are far-fetched and lack any substantial evidence. Did you know that some people believe the Iraq War was started to prevent Saddam Hussein from using a Stargate to initiate an intergalactic war? Or that the Large Hadron Collider at CERN was built not for scientific experiments, but to summon Egyptian gods? These ideas may sound absurd to many, but they highlight the extent to which conspiracy theories can captivate the imagination of some individuals. Among the plethora of conspiracy theories, one stands out as particularly bizarre: the belief that our planet is currently ruled by a race of shape-shifting, blood-drinking extraterrestrial reptiles. This theory, often referred to as the Reptilian elite conspiracy, suggests that these aliens have infiltrated our societies and control key positions of power. While it's easy to dismiss such ideas as pure fiction, it raises an interesting question. Could there have been advanced civilizations on Earth long before humans evolved? This brings us to the Silurian Hypothesis, a concept that explores the possibility of advanced civilizations existing on Earth millions of years ago. Named after the Silurians, a fictional race of intelligent reptiles from the British TV series Doctor Who. The hypothesis was proposed by climatologist Gavin Schmidt and astrophysicist Adam Frank in a 2018 paper published in the International Journal of Astrobiology. Despite its seemingly fantastical premise, the Silurian Hypothesis is grounded in serious scientific inquiry. Schmidt and Frank's hypothesis revolves around a fundamental question: are we the first advanced civilization to have arisen on Earth? To address this, they examine geological and atmospheric records to identify any signs of past industrial civilizations. For example, the widespread use of fossil fuels leaves distinct chemical signatures in the atmosphere. If an advanced civilization existed millions of years ago, we might expect to find similar traces. Understanding the Silurian Hypothesis requires us to grasp the immense scale of geological time and the fragility of evidence over such spans. While human history spans only a few thousand years, Earth's history extends over billions of years. Geological processes such as plate tectonics, erosion, and volcanic activity continuously reshape the planet's surface, often erasing or deeply burying any traces of past civilizations. For instance, we know about ancient civilizations like the Incas, Mayas, and Romans because they left behind enduring artifacts such as pottery, coins, and structures. However, even these remarkable legacies are subject to decay and destruction over millennia. Imagine how much harder it would be to find evidence of a civilization that existed 100 million or 200 million years ago. So, how will we go about finding evidence of an ancient advanced civilization? Fossil records, while invaluable for studying biological evolution, are limited. Fossils form under very specific conditions, typically involving rapid burial in oxygen-poor environments. As a result, the fossil record is heavily biased towards certain habitats and types of organisms. The majority of fossils come from marine environments, where sedimentation can quickly cover and preserve remains. Terrestrial environments, particularly those with high rates of erosion or scavenging, are much less likely to produce fossils. Even in the ocean, soft-bodied organisms like jellyfish and squid rarely fossilize. Consequently, the fossil record is far from complete, representing only a small fraction of past life. Given these limitations, it's conceivable that an ancient industrial civilization could have existed without leaving a detectable fossil record. Instead, we might look for indirect evidence of their existence, such as changes in the chemical composition of rocks or atmospheric gases. One way to frame our search is by considering the Anthropocene, the proposed geological epoch marked by significant human impact on Earth's geology and ecosystems. Human activities have altered the carbon cycle, increased nitrogen levels in the soil, and left behind synthetic materials like plastics that could persist for millions of years. If another civilization had similarly altered the planet, we might find evidence of these changes in ancient rock layers. Schmidt and Frank argue that certain periods in Earth's history exhibit unusual geochemical signatures that could hint at industrial activity. For example, the Carboniferous period, about 350 million years ago, had vast coal deposits formed from dense forests. If an industrial civilization had existed during this time, its reliance on fossil fuels might have left detectable traces. However, interpreting these ancient signals is challenging. Natural processes such as volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, and massive methane releases can also cause significant changes in the atmosphere and oceans. Distinguishing between natural and anthropogenic influences requires careful analysis and a bit of detective work. Even if we could identify unusual geochemical signatures, proving they were caused by an ancient civilization is another matter. We would need a combination of evidence, such as advanced tools, infrastructure remnants, and perhaps even fossilized remains of the civilization itself. Given the vast time scales involved, this might seem an insurmountable challenge. Yet, the Silurian Hypothesis serves as a valuable thought experiment. It encourages us to broaden our perspective and consider the full scope of Earth's history. Just as the discovery of dinosaurs revolutionized our understanding of the past, finding evidence of ancient civilizations would profoundly reshape our view of human history and our place in the universe. In conclusion, while the idea of ancient advanced civilizations like the Silurians might seem far-fetched, it opens up intriguing possibilities for scientific exploration. By examining geological records and considering alternative explanations for unusual findings, we can expand our understanding of Earth's history. Whether or not we ever find definitive proof of such civilizations, the quest itself enriches our knowledge and fuels our imagination. What do you think about the Silurian Hypothesis? Could there have been advanced civilizations on Earth long before humans? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations into the mysteries of our world. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.